Hello friends, welcome back to Unbox 7 and welcome back to another exciting review for you guys. Okay, so in this video I'm going to unbox this amazing package. I got a beautiful and wonderful juicer in this package. So here we have the booklet and all the instructions about this product. We have to read all the instruction before using any product, and here we have juice recipes. You can make your own choices of juice, so you can also make green juices like healthy juices, beetroot juice, apple juice, orange juice, anything you want. Okay, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it right now, and also turn on the bell icon so you receive a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, so I take everything out of the box. Here we have a small wrench and all the parts for this machine, juicer machine, and everything in this machine we are getting that is very good quality, very good made, and like we are getting two containers. One is for juice and other is for pulp and like fruits pulp. So this container has this much capacity as you can see on the video, and the other one, this one is for juice pulp. So whenever you are making your juice, so you just put like these two containers and they will do their own work. So here we have the small like machinery and like small mechanism how the juice is gonna extract all the things, and all the like blades and small strainer, everything inside this part. Okay, let's see the machine part. Okay, the brand is Kedemas, and here we have like red and black color. They also have other colors in this same juicer. You can also go in the link in my description box and check more details about this product. You can find all the details and prices information in that link. Okay, so I just showed everything, like all the parts of the machine in this video, and here we have like lock and unlock sign when you're assembling your machine, so you get like some ease during this part. Okay, I'm gonna assemble this for you guys, and I already read the instruction booklet. When you click it to the lock side, it make a little sound like click sound, and you just need to put these small containers under the machine, and there is one separator, so make sure you use this because it separates any additional fruit pulp from the juice. Okay, so here we have the tray that we're gonna use to insert our fruits inside the machine, and here we have a small wrench when you are like tightening your machine parts, and when you are loosening up, so you can use this, and you can use this part to push your fruit inside it. And we also getting a small brush that we can use to clean our machine, because sometimes it get stuck in the machine in small parts, so you just need a brush. Okay, so here we have the power button. There's two options available. One is pulse and the other one is just on button, so there are no speeds, just one option. Okay, so I just cut my apples in these shape like slices, and I'm gonna put them inside the machine, and I already turn it on. Okay, so now it's time to press this and put the pressure from in like upper part. Once the fruit comes to the mechanism between the like extracting part, it's gonna extract the juice and put the pulp in another container. This looks very satisfying and looks so yummy. All the pulp is going into separate container and all the juice is going into separate container. So I used 4 to 5 apples, like slices of apples. You can make juice as much as you want. I'm just showing you guys in my video. So it's very easy, it's very convenient, and the feature I like most about this product is it's very easy to wash and store this product, because you can remove all your parts and you can just rinse them. You don't need to like use the brush, but they also provided the brush, so you don't need to use that brush and you can just under the running water. And it's very easy to store, as I already told you, very easy to make juice in this juicer. I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to enjoy my juice. If you guys have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do it right now, and also share this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.